kwihura njirogi na kwiruta muoyo na makiria ari ceceni-ini kana ari nyumba-ini yake ni riri ceceni-ini ya maabitha a Bondo kuringana na kamanda wa borithi no ri rugamirire gicigo kiu no ri yoikaine ta Ibrahim Kosi ni atariirie ati ni makoretwo na ngui cia kiro hamwe na mutumia wake na riu kana thutha handu ha gukorwo o magitha cia kana mahurana na undu uyu abitha uyu acungiriirio kuoya mushinga wake na gucoka kwihura njirogi agicoka kwiruta muoyo. Ripoti hiyo.
I am the Sub-County Police Commander Bondo. This morning it was unfortunate. We had an incident whereby one of my officer, Micheal Kyalo, he shot himself. He was issued with a rifle, got to proceed for work, but before that he returned to his house, whereby we believed he picked some quarrel with his wife, and which resulted in shooting his wife and himself. Although he died from the shot, but fortunately the wife was injured, and we rushed her to the hospital. She's now under she's getting medical attention here at Bondo District Hospital. So we have started the investigation. So we have commenced the investigation. Then after investigation, we'll be able to have the full details of what transpired. You know, it is now we don't have exactly what happened because it was just a cool officer, a good officer. So we don't know what happened. This is why we have commenced the investigation, and we shall, by the end of the day, we shall be able to know what happened.
Haya, tugithina mbere ni ati